Reading plays a significant role in one's success in school. This is also considered as one of the most vital skills that an individual learner must achieve and master. Lack of proficient literacy in reading seems to be one of the major factors that hinders student success in learning. It is a key to any child's success at school, and without it, there will be a lesser chance that they will be able to achieve it. In Filipino subject in particular, there are still students who fail to show phonemic awareness, and there are still some who are poor in decoding words, even if it is their mother tongue and the language that they frequently use. This is a significant circumstance to ponder, since having fluency in oral reading, including phonemic awareness, word recognition, and word decoding, is the first step towards improved reading ability. This is a powerful element to achieve reading proficiency and comprehension. While, when thinking of literacy in reading and the role it plays in Francisco P. Tolentino Integrated High School and in every Batang Isko, it appears to be an essential component for them to function well in a classroom and even in a society where they belong. But sadly, not all of them are proficient in reading, and there are struggling readers who need to be assisted. For this reason, the author crafted a program that would enhance the reading skills of the students, specifically the oral reading fluency of grade 7 learners in Filipino. The proponent come up with proyektong Kasama Pagbasa, kaagapay sa mas mahusay na pagbasa. The existence of this project was anchored with the belief that there should be no Batang Isko left behind, for she believes that this simple effort of assisting struggling Batang Isko in oral reading fluency will serve as first step towards academic progress. The computation of the oral reading score in order to identify the learners who will undergo with the project will be based on the computation given in Philippine Informal Reading Inventory Manual or the PhilErie. This involves counting the number of miscues during oral reading. Each miscue carries equal weight regardless of whether it affects the meaning of the passage or not. While in identifying the reading level of each student for each passage, the PhilErie reading test uses predetermined set of criteria. Grade 7 students who are identified to be in frustration level were the sole target of this project. Their phonemic awareness and word decoding were the target skills to be developed. Videos and printed materials containing reading text or materials taken from the Philippine Informal Reading Inventory Manual or the PhilErie were produced by the proponent to be adopted by the grade 7 Filipino teacher as she conducts the program. Reading sessions were done through phone call. Students who can access videos and reading texts were reached through their messenger account, while those who don't have access in the internet were given a copy of printed materials containing the necessary reading texts. Phone call in reaching them was also obtained. The process followed in the entire implementation of the said project was shown in this figure. There are 13 identified struggling readers under frustration level after conducting the pre-test. Series of reading sessions were done using the crafted materials to ensure that every student will be assisted in reading. After administering this project and after giving the post test, only 3 of them remained in frustration level. 4 of them are already under instructional level, while 6 of them already reached the independent level in reading. After testing and interpreting the data accumulated, it was found out that the t-computed value of 12.321 is less than the alpha level of 0.05, which means that the null hypothesis is rejected. Therefore, there is a significant difference before the implementation and after the implementation of Proyektong Kasama Pagbasa in the student's oral reading level and word reading score. This suggests that the said project can be adopted and improved by the reading teachers to efficiently guide the students towards their enhanced oral reading ability. The accumulated result became the basis of the researcher to craft an action plan for the improved reading program.